Hey guys, welcome to this brand new testimonial video. Today I have with me one of our very special guests who has just undergone his transformation and a mindset shift with our 12-week ISP, the Incredibly Simple program, wherein he joined in for body recomposition, fat loss, and also getting his TSH levels down. So let us just get right into it. I have with me Mr. Rohit Sachdeva. So Rohit, how are you doing today? Please introduce yourself.
I'm good, Amitoj. Hi, my name is Rohit Sasdeva, and I'm 42 years old. And I'm into my own business, which is quite hectic. I have a family. I have two kids, 13 and 8, and a good family. So yeah, that's about me.
That's amazing. So, Rohit, now that we know a little bit about you, let's just get right into your journey. So, once we got talking, we had a very nice, vivid conversation before you decided to enroll in and join in with us.
Yes.
So what was the reason? What was the why you started your journey? And how did you get in touch with us?
Yes, so I got in touch with you through a friend, through a very dear friend, Prashant. And I think उन्होंने आपके साथ already काफी टाइम से mentorship training वगैरह कर रहे थे तो and he had seen wonderful results. So he pushed me into this and he guided me into this. So I joined. I was struggling with my thyroid and my TSH levels for a couple of years now, and they were going up and down. They would normalize, but they would go up, then they would go down. And I didn't know how to actually get in control of that. So, and I really wanted to be fit, be active throughout the day and not affect all this problem come in the way of my life. So that is the reason, that was the big why for which I joined you, Amitoj. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for telling that. And talking about TSH, right? This has
Yeah.
been a very special hallmark of our journey because when we started talking, hum thode skeptical the. You asked me a lot of questions regarding this as well. So
Right.
my next question to you is, what were the changes you started seeing? It could be in your TSH, in your overall lifestyle levels, which made you believe that a transformation like this would be possible for you.
ज्वाइन करने के कुछ टाइम बाद ही लाइक वेरी सून आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग माय वेट falling. My weight started falling, so that was very encouraging, very motivating. So I think seeing the results on the weighing scale, and in generally in the activity, in the energy levels throughout the day, the changes that I felt inside my body, I
Hmm.
think motivated me to continue on that journey. Yes.
Got it. And what about your TSH? Like, I know that is probably the part that you like the most
Yes.
about this program. So
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
is
So
one learning from that which stood
बिल्कुल
out to you?
बिल्कुल. So
Hmm.
during the journey, after 45 days of doing the journey, I thought, let me just check what has happened. The weight has gone down, but what is up with the TSH level? So I decided to get myself tested. तो जो ब्लड टेस्ट कराया और जब उसका रिजल्ट आया तो आई वाज रियली लिटरली शॉक टू सी दैट माय टीएसएच लेवल हैड कम इन द नॉर्मल रेंज. तो वो बहुत ही सेलिब्रेटरी और बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम था एंड आई आई रियली फेल्ट वेरी नाइस एंड आई फेल्ट ग्रेट एक्चुअली एंड जस्ट थॉट कि ये तो करना ही है, अब तो कंटिन्यू करना है, पूरा करना है और लाइफ टाइम तक ही करना है.
Hmm.
देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट अबाउट इट, देयर इज नो स्टॉपिंग टू इट and you just have to continue this. Yeah. And
Amazing.
well, it made me believe that some life or health is possible without medicines or pills. Yeah. So
So good.
which I had read in the articles but never experienced it. But now after experiencing it, it just made me feel wow. Yeah.
That is so amazing. So the learning which stood out for you would be that health is possible without medicines as well. This is primarily what we discussed in the
Yeah.
initial consultation call as well. मुझे याद है हमने
Yeah.
किया
Right.
था. तो रोहित,
Right.
अब इस लेवल ऑफ हेल्थ पे आने के लिए फिर क्या किया हमने? अपनी जिंदगी त्याग दी, उबले हुए वेजिटेबल्स खाए, 6 6 दिन जिम में वर्कआउट किया, क्या किया हमने ऐसा?
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. मैं ऐसा 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 कुछ भी नहीं किया. इट इज जस्ट द डिसिप्लिन, इट इज जस्ट द कंसिस्टेंसी जो आपने throughout the program you just emphasized on this point that you have to be consistent and not extreme. Do little every day, progress little every day, be consistent on it, and you will see the results. I think that was a big learning. एंड वही करते रहे तो बस रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं।
वो
तो
तो
ऐसा नहीं था, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं किया कि 6 दिन वर्कआउट करना पड़े, या या बहुत ज़्यादा बॉइल्ड, या ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। इट इज़ जस्ट स्मॉल स्टेप्स टेकन एवरी डे।
हम्म,
एंड अब नाउ, पहले मैं जैसे 4 दिन करता था या 3 दिन करता था, अब मेरा खुद का मन करता है कि यार रोज कर लो। सो आई एम नाउ डूइंग इट लाइक 6 days a week
हम्म,
with 10,000 steps every day.
वाह।
तो जो पहले मेरे को लगता था कि कैसे होगा, बट अब मैं somehow I manage 10,000 steps and hour of workout also.
Amazing.
So सही है, बहुत बढ़िया।
And when you know that something is working for you, उस
Yeah,
टाइम जो मोटिवेशन होती है वो डबल हो जाती है। When you
absolutely,
realize कि आपके
absolutely.
जो एफर्ट्स हैं they are going in vain, तो फिर
Yes,
मन भी नहीं करता करने का।
yes,
One is this thing, and the other is we also get to enjoy cricket matches while
yes.
eating our favorite foods.
या सो ये है कि मतलब यू डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप सोशलाइजिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स, मीटिंग योर फ्रेंड्स, और वो सब खत्म नहीं हो रहा है। यू स्टिल गेट टू डू दैट वंस
Hmm.
ट्वाइस अ वीक आल्सो समटाइम्स।
Hmm.
So that is the great part, that you continue to live your life the way you want to
Hmm.
and be healthy as well. Yeah.
That's so amazing. So, guys, when Rohit joined in, just a plug-in that I want to give here, there was a lot of skepticism. कितना वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा, वर्क करेगा, नहीं करेगा, अप्रोच सिंपल है, क्या एग्जैक्ट हम चीज उसमें करते हैं कि नहीं करते. And Rohit was also very adamant that there are certain things in the lifestyle which can't be changed. So he's also a yoga practitioner. He does many other things as well. And the challenge was to put everything into his lifestyle, integrated so well that it all becomes one. Just like how he is saying, it has become right now. And I'm glad we could do it so beautifully, Rohit. तो अब आपने पुरानी अप्रोचेस जो ट्राई करी हैं इससे पहले,
जी।
राइट, आपके हिसाब से व्हाट वाज डिफरेंट इन व्हाट वी डिड व्हिच स्टूड आउट फॉर यू?
I think Purani up the other approaches that I tried were based on one aspect. They were not holistic. So in this, whatever we did, so we took care of diet, we took care of workout, we took care of nutrition. I think we took care of a lot of things at the same time. और ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ एक चीज कर ली तो उससे रिजल्ट आएगा। तो आई थिंक दैट स्टूड आउट। तो ये एक होलिस्टिक होना इस प्रोग्राम का आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा फीचर था, जिसकी वजह से आई थिंक आई सॉ ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स। सो दैट वाज अ मैसिव लर्निंग फॉर मी एज वेल। यू नो, it is not just one thing that works. You have to bring in all the pieces together to go forward. Yeah.
या दैट्स हाउ मास्टरपीसेस आर मेड. मुझे याद है इनिशियली मैं कई बार आपको प्रोपेल और पुश करता था, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आपके कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर आपको धक्का देता था कि प्लीज रोहित, जस्ट डू इट राइट नाउ, आगे चल
Correct.
के we will figure out how. And I'm
Correct.
so glad that God has bestowed this lovely blessing
Mm.
upon us that everything went by well. You could also get the desired results. You're also happy. तो एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा बस आपसे, एंड
Right.
उसके दो पार्ट्स होने वाले हैं. सो पहला पार्ट ये है कि now you understand health for its holisticness. You understand that it's a masterpiece जिसमें छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे ऐसे पैरामीटर्स हैं जिनको फुलफिल करना पड़ता है. तो
Mm.
अब इस लर्निंग के बाद, अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बाद, ए, आपके फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या है, ठीक है, और बी, आप उन लोगों को क्या बताना चाहोगे जो बिल्कुल आप ही के जैसे, राइट, who are doting fathers, who are managing a busy lifestyle, right, but their health is also a concern, and they are watching you right now on this video. उनको कोई ना कोई चीज ना रोक रही है, right? They could be busy at work, their mindsets, their family constraints. तो उनके लिए आप क्या कहोगे regarding this whole journey that you had with us? So two-part question for you.
So what was the first part, Amitul?
Future plans. Future plans.
Future plans, yeah, I would just continue on this journey.
Hmm.
जैसा मैंने सीखा है, जैसा मैंने करा है, I just plan to continue
Hmm.
and maintain or do even better. तो
Hmm.
और फ्यूचर में ऐसा है कि मेरे को कुछ भी डाउट होगा तो मैं ऐसा कुछ छोड़ने वाला तो हूँ नहीं अभी तो, जो आई विल बी राइट बैक with him, asking
Absolutely.
asking a lot
100%.
of questions and being part of the community that I am now. तो वो तो रहेगा। तो फ्यूचर प्लान्स इज जस्ट कंटिन्यू वट एवर आई हैव लर्न। एंड द मैसेज दैट आई वुड वांट टू गिव एनीवन हु इज वाचिंग इज दैट it is our mindset, it is that limits us, that stops us from doing certain things. So and we do uh, take a lot of noise from outside. in the sense, and sometimes that noise doesn't fit well in the whole picture, in the big picture. So my advice would be just block out the noise, go to a mentor, seek a mentor, and just surrender yourself and just do what he's telling you. And you'll see results. And when you will see results, I think your belief in the whole system will increase. Yeah.
Amazing. I hope, we were able to mentor you well in that
Yes.
regard.
Yes.
Of course. That's great. So I remember just before we end this, I remember very recently Rohit shared a very good picture of him, which reminded me of our veteran actor Sunil Shetty, with a good vest. So you'll probably be seeing that in the before and
No,
after.
no,
It's
no, no,
already
don't share that. No, no.
okay. So then in that case, we'll ask Rohit for a fresh
Yeah,
picture of
sure.
himself and not that one. And
Yeah.
we'll make sure that we keep that a secret. And you see, what has changed is not just superficial, but it is holistically complete as well, right? So great, Rohit. I'm done with my questions. This concludes this lovely testimonial interview. I would like to thank you so much for bestowing your faith, your trust in us, and also taking out time from your busy schedule to do this interview with me. I wish you all the very best. I wish you success, and I hope you keep on crushing it, not just in fitness, but in all other areas of your life as well. And also make sure that this newfound knowledge from the mentorship that we've done, right, it stays with you for life and make sure that you enjoy infinite health, right, and
Thank
maintain
you.
the results that you have. So,
Thank you so much, Amitoj. I would like to express my gratitude as well to you for the 3 months that I have spent with you. And the way you have mentored and guided as my mother, it's really phenomenal. The way you take the whole community with yourself and you take responsibility for each and every one's results. I think that is really commendable. The pain that you take. And so really great work, great job done, Amitoj. And again, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
thank you, sir. So, guys, this is it. I seriously hope you guys received some value out of this interview and, more importantly, got motivated, inspired to start your fitness journey with us. Not 6 months into the future, but right here, right now, today itself. So, whatever your fitness goals, we here at Team ASF are here to help you achieve them in a quick, rightful, and sustainable manner. We are soon going to be back with another testimonial. Until then, I'm Amitoj Singh, founder of ASF Online, and with me is Mr. Rohit Sachdeva. And we are both signing off and saying bye bye to you. Thank you, Rohit. And
Bye, bye, Amitoj. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.